Hi, I'm Jacqueline Umof.
And I'm Dr. Paul Umof.
And this is Get Stretchy at Work.
I'm an emergency room and occupational medicine doctor. I have treated thousands of injured workers, and I have been wanting to find a way in which I can really help them beyond the regular modalities that modern medicine has to offer.
And I'm Jacqueline Umof. I am a certified yoga instructor and certified ergonomic evaluator. I love to help people feel better in their bodies through modalities like stretching, strengthening, twisting, breathing, and meditation. Get Stretchy at Work is an online yoga training program comprised of videos that are anywhere between the 10-minute mark and 15-minute mark, so they're super easy to squeeze into your day. You don't need any equipment at all, and you can actually do every single yoga video in your work clothes or in whatever clothes that you have on. And you don't even need a yoga mat. You could do it at your desk or in the comfort of your own home because all of the videos are streamed directly online. Yoga has a very magical effect on people when they do it all together in unison as well. It creates more conversation, they're excited to get up and move together and stretch together, and it can have a really positive effect on the entire morale for your entire company or university body.
I think it's very important because I've had doctors come up to me after going through this program with us saying this is exactly what they've been looking for their injured workers. In terms of your back, these exercises help strengthen your back. Your core is so important to you, and people don't realize that. And these videos give you an opportunity to do that right at your own seat. This builds spirit, this builds morale like nothing I've ever seen before. I'm 70 years old and I do this every day. I know what it's like to feel that your body hurts, and I know what this can do to make you feel better. I feel strengthened, I feel energized, and I feel calm as a net result of doing this program every day. And so will you if you invest in this for your employees or your students.
We can't wait to see the results, and we can't wait to see all of your employees doing these stretches, having fun, laughing, and loving where they work.
If you want to retain your employees and you want to have happy employees, Get Stretchy at Work is the prescription.